Customizing BestPlaces' quality of life involves several steps that help you evaluate and compare the livability of different cities and towns based on your personal preferences. To begin with, it is essential to understand what BestPlaces is, which is a platform that provides detailed information about the quality of life in various locations across the United States. First, you need to visit the BestPlaces website and click on the Quality of Life section. Here, you will find a list of categories that affect the quality of life, including cost of living, education, employment, and crime rates, among others. You can assign weights to each category based on how important it is to you. For example, if you have children, you may want to give more weight to education and schools. Next, you can customize the Quality of Life Index by selecting the specific factors that matter to you. This could include things like commute time, air quality, and access to outdoor activities. You can also specify your preferences for factors like climate, population density, and housing costs. The more specific you are, the more accurate the results will be. Once you have customized your Quality of Life Index, you can compare different cities and towns based on your preferences. The platform will provide you with a score for each location, along with detailed information about how it performs in each category. You can also use the platform to compare multiple locations side by side, which can help you make a more informed decision about where to live. In addition to customizing the Quality of Life Index, BestPlaces also provides other tools and resources that can help you evaluate different locations. For example, you can use the cost of living calculator to compare the cost of living in different cities, or the crime index to evaluate the safety of different neighborhoods. Overall, customizing BestPlaces' quality of life is a straightforward process that involves assigning weights to different categories, selecting specific factors, and comparing different locations. By following these steps, you can get a more accurate picture of the quality of life in different locations and make a more informed decision about where to live.